Today, we're going to be unboxing a
Labubu. I'm gonna pee from excitement.
It's my first Labubu and my first unboxing. Labubus come in mystery boxes, so you don't know which one you're gonna get. They come in like different colors and have these cute but creepy faces, and all have their own personality. One in every 72 boxes is said to have a rare one. The ultimate secret Labubu.
Ooh.
Right?
Dopamine hit. Open it.
Okay. Yes! Yay! We got the rare, secret Labubu.
Is that it? It doesn't do anything. And why does its face look like it has rabies? What do we do with it?
Nothing. I'm gonna put it on my backpack. I have FOMO.
Where am I?
Whoa.
This one's alive.
What?
Who put me in a box? I've been in there for so long.
I guess it makes it super rare. How is it talking?
I don't know. Ah!
I want answers.
Okay. Like what?
Like, where did you kidnap me from?
We didn't kidnap you. We bought you from the Pop Mart store.
Open the doors, I want on the boo-boo now.
Give it to me. It's mine.
Let go. You are a grown man, and you're my husband.
This Labubu is mine now.
It's a little bit busy today. I might just ask the cashier where they keep the Labubus.
Hey there, little one. Welcome to the Pop Mart store. How can I help you today?
One Labubu, please.
Everybody has gone to Lulu for Labubu. They're all fighting over them. Like, we're almost sold out, but they're literally right behind me. I don't get the hype. You can't just make something that looks scary, put like a cute little outfit on it, thinking that it's gonna go viral.
Can I have one?
Help yourself, little one. I have no arms, no legs, and no cares. You could literally just take it and run, and I wouldn't be able to, like, physically chase you.
Right. Then you came here. And your limited edition.
I'm not real, but I'm limited edition.
That means you're popular.
All the popular kids in school have a Labubu.
Well, look who decided to arrive to school today. Oh, a pink Labubu? Oh, wow.
I got it from the Netherlands. That's where they were designed. It's an original and limited edition.
Oh, mine is even more limited edition. It was released for 3 minutes during a lunar eclipse in the Bermuda Triangle.
Oh, really? The next one I'm getting is so limited edition. It's currently being delivered from space. Customs had to clear it with NASA.
Sure.
Ooh. Jealous?
I can't wait to see this out of this world Labubu.
What's a Labubu?
Oh my. Barbie, you are getting so old. How are you an astronaut, doctor, and a lawyer and not know what a Labubu is? And why are you still in school? How old are you? Why have you not graduated yet? You've repeated like 86 times now.
I once was the president of the United States.
Don't worry about her, Barb. Labubu isn't that deep. Lisa from Blackpink, the famous K-pop band, was randomly photographed with Labubus attached to her bag. Labubu then became more widely noticed and went viral. That's how they became the hottest craze right now. In a world where everybody wants to be iconic and famous, the most limited edition, rarest Labubu is the must-have accessory.
Jake, that Labubu's freaking me out. He keeps staring at me. He looks so creepy.
Why? Why do people keep calling me ugly and creepy? Is it my fault that I look like this?
That's not true. You're cute just the way you are. Don't worry about what other people say about you. In fact, most people think you look adorable.
Who made me like this?
You were created almost 20 years ago in the Netherlands by an illustrator named Casing Lung. You were inspired by Nordic mythology, especially elves, and you were combined with a cheeky, curious, and wild spirit, which makes you intriguing.
Oh my god. What the hell? This kid is live streaming a Labubu.
So?
I need to have it now. That brat Brianna would just die if she saw me with this Labubu.
Aren't they made for kids?
Shut up, Chris. You literally have a Labubu dangling from your rearview mirror. If you don't have a limited edition Labubu, do you even exist?
Who are these people that want me so bad? What if I don't like them?
The biggest demand for you is actually adults, which is kind of weird.
After the divorce, I didn't think I'd find love again. I tried apps, blind dates, men named Greg with Pokemon collections.
I used to want a man who had a job. Now, I just want someone who fits on a shelf or an accessory to my handbag.
But then I met Labubu.
He doesn't talk over me. He doesn't ghost me. He just stares endlessly.
He comes in 147 versions. I have 38, and I'm not stopping.
Mom, your Labubu bit me.
I haven't seen my kids in 3 days, but I have Labubu.
I let go of toxic relationships. Now I only need Labubu.
He gets me.
Knock, knock. Oh, I love what you've done with the house. Floor-to-ceiling windows. Style.
Goldibot, how did you get into my house?
Didn't you know I'm the queen of breaking and entering? Read a children's book.
What do you want?
I want that. The rarest and most limited edition Labubu.
You can't have it.
I'll give you whatever you want. Money, my kidney, my grandma, I don't care. I want it.
I'm sad. I'm just a disposable product of capitalist consumerism, gamified for maximum profit.
Oh, I love it. It says things I don't even understand.
He will probably just end up in the same place as your Furbies and Bean Babies.
It's okay, I'll go with her. I'm disposable. If she doesn't take me, she'll just keep buying and throwing away others until she gets what she wants.
You sure? She just wants you as a collectible.
Trust me, we'll see who's collecting who.
I'm so excited. Goldibot mystery boxes are the best. I have 12.
Get ready for the new toy craze made by Labubu, the Goldibot Mystery Box. Each one has a surprise Goldibot doll. There are so many to collect, like bald Goldibot, morbidly obese and diabetic Goldibot, nursing home granny Goldibot, mentally unstable crazy ex-girlfriend Goldibot, homeless Goldibot, too much plastic surgery Goldibot, Ozempic Goldibot, super duper trans Goldibot, and no arms and legs Goldibot. And so much more. There are 2,000 quirky, ugly, or creepy, but cute Goldibots to collect, including one limited edition real Goldibot. The only way to obtain her is to keep buying.
Hello? Hello? Can anybody hear me? I'm not crazy. My Labubu did this to me. Help me. I'm in a box. I'm gonna get you, Labubu.